Today, we're taking a deep dive into Constant Contact, one of the longest running email marketing platforms on the market. If you're looking for a way to streamline your email campaigns and engage with your audience more effectively, you might have considered this tool. But is it the best option for you? Let's go through everything you need to know, from setup to features, usability, pricing, and whether it's worth the investment. Starting with the interface, Constant Contact offers a clean and user-friendly dashboard. It's designed for beginners, which makes setting up email campaigns straightforward. The drag-and-drop email builder is intuitive, allowing you to create professional-looking emails without needing to know code. There are pre-designed templates, but while they are functional, they can feel a bit outdated compared to more modern email builders. If you're looking for high customization and advanced design capabilities, you might find this aspect a little underwhelming. Point one of the platform's strong points is its contact management. You can import your email lists, segment your audience, and personalize your campaigns based on user behavior. The automation features allow you to send welcome emails, follow-ups, and scheduled messages, though they are not as advanced as some competitors, like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. If you're a small business owner looking for basic automation, it might be enough, but for more sophisticated workflows, you could feel limited. The pricing structure is another factor to consider. Constant Contact isn't the cheapest email marketing tool out there. It follows a tiered pricing model based on the number of contacts you have. While it includes some nice features, like event management and surveys, it lacks some of the advanced automation and integrations that other platforms provide at similar or even lower price points. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another aspect to keep in mind is customer support. Constant Contact is well known for its excellent customer service. They offer phone, chat, and email support, which can be a huge advantage, especially for beginners who need help setting up their campaigns. Many competitors rely solely on email or chatbot support, so this is a strong point in favor of Constant Contact. In terms of integrations, Constant Contact supports a range of third-party apps, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress. This is great for e-commerce businesses, but some integrations require additional setup or third-party tools to function smoothly. Now, let's talk about deliverability rates. Constant Contact generally performs well in ensuring your emails reach inboxes instead of spam folders. However, some users report that their emails get flagged more often compared to competitors, which is something to keep in mind if high deliverability is a top priority for you. So, is Constant Contact worth it? If you're a small business owner looking for an easy-to-use email marketing solution with strong customer support and basic automation, it could be a good fit. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, better design flexibility, or a lower-cost option, you might want to explore alternatives like MailerLite, Sendinblue, or ConvertKit. What do you think about Constant Contact? Have you used it before? Let me know in the comments. If this review helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos.